Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the windshield wipers for a 2014 Chevrolet Volt. No tools required. That's right, no tools at all. You just need a pair of hands and a willingness to get work done. So let's jump into it. First step is pretty easy. Just actuate the arm into a more workable position on both of them. There we go. So to remove it, you just push this little button. Sometimes you can use like a small screwdriver and push it in. You know, if your finger can't handle the pressure, which I understand, just push in like this and pull away from the car and the wiper comes right out. So here is our old wiper. You can see it has seen some better days, so it's a good thing we're replacing these. Get that out of there. This wiper is effectively useless to us. Now you might notice that the latching system for both of these is different. That's okay, because windshield wipers typically come with a different way to mount it to the actual wiper arm, and we have to swap that out. That's okay, it's completely normal. Different wipers have different designs. You can see this one has like a lift up design where it kind of clicks off the entire shoe here, but ours doesn't work that way. These are made by Michelin. I got them at Costco. They're very inexpensive. They're totally fine. I will leave a link down below in the description, or you can run down to your local Costco. They're 26 inches. But again, link down below in the description for your convenience. On this particular unit, what you need to do is actuate the actual latching mechanism up, press on the sides to lift it up and out. Pretty easy. Right there, we need to line up this little groove where my middle finger is, and then just put it in until it snaps in place, and you rock it back and it goes click. And then this can't come out. Make sure it's not just gonna fly out on you. Nope, that seems great. Now it can go back on the car. And then installation is super easy. Watch, one-handed. You just line it up until the grooves are happy, like this. And then just sink it down until you hear that nice click, and you can see that button come back in this slot or groove. And then make sure it doesn't come out. And there you go, that's it. Passenger side, second verse, same as the first. Push that in, wiggle the wiper out. And again, same thing as the other side. Just line it up so it's nice and in its home. Slide it back until that button comes up. Give it a nice wiggle to make sure it's not going to fly off. And that's it. And then, of course, gently lower your wiper arm down onto the windscreen. Just like that. And you're all done. So that's how to change your windshield wipers on a 14 Chevrolet Volt, essentially the first generation of those cars. Now, this is something you can totally do literally anywhere on the planet at any time. It is incredibly simple. Please don't pay anybody to do this for you. You are more than capable of doing this yourself, making sure the job is done correctly and as cheaply as possible. I bought these for $10 a piece, so this only cost me $20. And you could probably find even cheaper sets online, and I've left some links down below in the description for your convenience. The mechanic's probably going to charge you bare minimum $60 to do this, and you can do it for 3 times less than that yourself. So it's a no-brainer to do this yourself. Thank you so very much for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting at all, please consider becoming a member down below by clicking that join button as a direct way to help the channel out. Barring that, a like, comment, and subscription go a long way in the algorithm and really help the channel out again. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.